What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. My name is Austin, and today we're doing some a little unexpected. Wasn't really planning on this, but we're gonna go buy us a new tow rig. I got offered a truck at a pretty good price, so we're gonna go check it out and see if we actually want to pick this bad girl up. So we got about a 45-minute drive and then we'll be there. So yeah, let's go buy a new truck today. I'm gonna be here for a minute. Sweet. So this is her. We're gonna go give a little test drive. So, the truck we're looking at is a 2002 2500 Dodge Ram. It's got a turbo diesel in it. She's spicy. We'll show you that later. I just drove it. Drives pretty good, pretty awesome. Zach's just showing me how to drive it now. If you followed me for a long time, you know that Zach used to own my red Toyota. I'm just buying all this truck from him. Yep. We got Trevor. So this thing's pretty rad. This thing moves, man. So, how much power is this thing making?
500 maybe.
It's got a compound set up on it, some other goodies. So, driving to the bank, Zach?
Let's do it.
What's up, guys? So, we just bought this Dodge diesel here. We're gonna go rip around for a second, responsibly. Let's go. So this is the first diesel I've ever owned. This happens to be a 6-speed manual that I don't know how to drive. So we're gonna go get used to that. Oh my God, look what I just did. I'm such a noob at this, guys. We're gonna smoke the whole neighborhood down. 6 sounds wicked, dude. All right, guys, so we just picked up the new tow rig. She's looking pretty good. This is an 02 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins 24 valve turbo diesel. It's got the long bed on it. Really clean. It's got about 150,000 miles on it. Zach took really good care of her. She's really salty because we just drove 100 miles to get it to my house. Pretty stoked on this. I've never owned a diesel before, so I'm pretty stoked to get learning about them. We do have some repair to do on this thing, but not much. Look at that view though. Holy cow. All right, guys, we're gonna get the wife's reaction right here. What do you think?
I like it. It's good. It's truck. It's long.
Okay. But yeah, pretty sweet, huh?
Yeah, I think it'll be good.
He hasn't ridden in it yet, so we'll have to get that reaction too.
Probably be a few days.
All right, guys, so we're just gonna go over what we got going in here real quick. Performance-wise, it's got a Smarty programmer and an Edge comp box. Tuner, it's not hooked up, but we'll get that later. We got 125 horse injectors. Turbo-wise, it's 58 millimeter over 66 millimeter compounds. It's got a nice Mishimoto intercooler. It's got a fast fuel pump, 150 fuel pump, 4-inch turbo back exhaust. So she's a certified ripper, I'll tell you what. And then all the steering's been upgraded. Can't really see it right now. Let me get a light. All the steering's been upgraded. It's got Thurin springs, Bilstein shocks. Everything's been converted over to Heim joints. This thing's pretty legit. So we're gonna go take the wife for a ride real quick and get her reaction on that, and then we'll call it a day. I'm rough. It's weird driving you.
You going too fast?
Not yet.
We're not going super fast. Like Supra? Like a Supra? Yeah. No. Yeah, this is a truck. Not a Supra? Not a Supra.
This is a diesel.
Yeah. So slow.
Yeah, this thing rips.
Super fast. It's very fast.
That was a quarter throttle. I'll go up to your parents' neighborhood and flip around. It rips, man.
Is that all my reaction you want?
So, what do you think, babe?
It feels pretty quick. I like it. It feels like it feels like a diesel.
Yeah, we didn't buy this truck to race it. This is gonna be a tow rig, but it's got some power modifications, so gotta have a little fun.
This is have power.
Well, guys, this is our new tow rig. I hope you guys like it. I'm pretty stoked. We do still have the Tundra, but I just want to learn how to, you know, wrench on a diesel, stuff like that. I've never messed with one of these, and I couldn't pass this guy up. Pretty slick. So thanks for watching, guys. We are in the process of working on long travel, so be patient with those videos. As always, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. We'll catch you next time.